Okay, major blues shapes, pentatonic variations. What does that mean? Well, some people just call them hexatonics, so 6-note scales. So basically, you're just leaving out one scale degree. You know, when we talked about minor blues, you have the minor blue note. You know, that's your flat 5. Well, you can make a blues sound, like a real country blues sound. People say country blues. They mean a major blues. They mean you don't have a flat 5. It means you have a flat 3 in a major pentatonic shape. So, for example, when we were doing our F sharp minor blues, right? That's F sharp minor blues. Remember the same way F sharp minor was the same as A major, the relative major and minor? Same thing goes with these blues scales. So if you start and end that scale on A, it still has that bluesy feel to it, but it's a country bluesy feel. It's much brighter. There's no flat 5, and it has the minor third, but it's still a major tonality because it has a major third after it. And the sound is very cool and very bright. I mean, it's stereotypical country stuff that it's country stuff. But it's not just regular major pentatonic, and it's not just your regular major scale. It's got that bluesness to it, but not that flat 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 5 patterns of the major blues scale, and then we'll solo a little bit in it. So let's start with A. That's what we were already doing before. So for A, we're going to start with pattern 3, because pattern 2, although we can get the octave shape, we can't get the full major blues scale in down here. So we just did it, but here we go again. This is pattern 3, A major blues. Very good. Pattern 4. Pattern 5. Pattern 1. And finally, pattern 2. That was all 5 patterns of the major blues scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 1-4-5 blues again in A, but this time we're going to kind of countryfy it. We're going to speed it up a little bit, and we're going to do the major blues scale over it. So again, just like all our other scales, practice them note for note, each pattern, break them down, figure out cool little spots in each, try to understand, what chord tones you're hitting in there, and try to be musical and get to know this country blues kind of flavor. So here we go.